Hi everyone, my name is Sanaya El-Sayed and I'm the tea buyer for David's Tea, and I'll be walking you through our signature breakfast tea, Organic David's Breakfast Blend. David's Breakfast Blend is a rich and bold tea that has an amazing astringency that stands up really nicely to milk. It also has some sweet and malted grain notes and brews a beautiful copper color in the cup. So the reason why we call this a breakfast blend is because we have two different bases in the tea. We have an organic Sri Lankan tea base that lends some really nice honey notes to the blend, and an Assam Indian tea base that really adds to the richness and boldness and astringency. So anecdotally, one of the reasons why this tea is so near and dear to my heart is because we as a tea team actually had the opportunity to visit the gardens in Sri Lanka where the organic Sri Lankan portion of the tea is grown. So in summary, David's Breakfast Blend is an incredible organic breakfast tea that is amazing on its own, but also has astringency that makes it perfect with milk or sugar. It's a great way to start your day.